Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a carrot cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your butter, your light brown sugar, and just mix until everything is fully combined, lighter and fluffier. For me this takes a couple of minutes, but it's always worth the time, so make sure you put that extra bit of effort and time in and ensure that everything is fully incorporated. Partway through you can go ahead and add in your orange zest, and this will help release the oils that are in the zest and make the orange pop that bit more. Once you're ready, you can then start to add your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and repeat until you have no eggs left. And you will notice a change in the consistency, and this is completely normal, so don't worry. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, including the ground spices, and mix these in on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium speed just until they are fully incorporated, being careful not to over mix the mixture. Then go ahead and add in all of your carrots and your raisins, and if you're using them, walnuts as well, and just mix until everything is incorporated into the cake batter and fairly distributed throughout the batter as you're looking for consistency. Give the bowl a good scraping down, and this will help to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Divide the cake batter between the 3 cake tins. Feel free to use a weighing scale, but this one I didn't really need to, as I eyeballed it and they turned out pretty well. So if you're feeling confident, just get your cake batter in there, smoothly level it off and place it into the oven to bake. So once everything is done, you can go ahead and start the decoration process. So grab yourself a cake board, and onto that board pipe a small amount of the cream cheese icing and place on your first layer of cake, just pressing down to secure it in place. Then you can decorate this however you like, but I'm keeping the sides naked as I'm not a massive fan of icing or buttercream, and to keep this cake nice enough, I'm just piping blobs around the outside of the cake, and then filling the centre in with just a swirl of buttercream and leveling it off if it needs it, which it did unfortunately. Then place on your second layer of cake and repeat the same process as I've just done here, and again it's completely up to you, but you can decorate it however you'd like. So for the final bit of decoration, I simply pipe blobs of icing around the top edge, the same as I've done on the other layers, and then just repeat the process by layering them on top of each other, so it looks a little bit more like a flower with petals, but again it's completely up to you. And then to add a bit of flair, and as there's already walnuts in the cake, I just place some walnuts in the centre on the top bit of the cake, and it looks a little bit more like a flower, but again it doesn't perfectly, but if you're looking for something different, do this. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.